investor, owning a Demat and trading account is essential. It holds all the shares and securities in an electronic format at one place and allows you to buy and sell shares at the tap of a button. Let's get started. Keep your PAN, Aadhaar number and signature image ready. Just click a picture of your signature on a blank white paper. Also ensure that your mobile front camera or laptop webcam is working fine. Note, you will need to upload your PAN if KRA or DigiLocker is unable to fetch it, and cancel check if the penny drop process fails. Visit www.icicidirect.com and click on Open Your Account, sign up for ICICI Direct, enter your mobile number, preferably the one registered with Aadhaar, to begin. You will be asked to enter the OTP sent to your mobile number. If a relationship manager assists you, click on Yes to enter partner code or click on No to proceed. Provide your email address either by choosing the Sign In with Google option or entering your email address manually. Enter your basic details like PAN number and date of birth. If you want to receive updates on WhatsApp from ICICI Direct, select Yes. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the name on your PAN from the KRA's records if your PAN is KRA verified. Proceed with the information as correct or proceed to change the same. Now choose between your existing ICICI Bank savings account or any other bank account. You can link your existing ICICI Bank account or enter your account detail to link other bank account. Other bank account gets verified instantly by the system using penny drop facility, wherein ICICI Securities credits ₹1 in your bank account to verify your bank details. If your PAN is not KRA verified, then you are routed to DigiLocker. DigiLocker is a key initiative by the Government of India for issuance, verification and storage of documents. Proceed by sharing your consent to authorize ICICI Securities to access, store and use your KYC documents. While completing the DigiLocker step, if the process at DigiLocker is failed or not working, you can similarly share your consent and choose to proceed by the Aadhaar eKYC option. Verify your name and address details pulled from DigiLocker or Aadhaar and proceed. If the penny drop was successful, you will be requested to upload an image of your signature. And if the penny drop is unsuccessful, you will be requested to upload a cancelled check or bank statement or bank passbook bearing your name along with image of your signature. You are almost done. You now have the option of opening a new ICICI Bank Demat account and use an existing ICICI Demat account. If you choose to use an existing Demat account, you will be required to enter the DP ID and client ID. Enter details of any person you wish to appoint as your nominee or choose I do not want to register nominee. Next, we will offer you a free ETF worth up to ₹200. Click Yes to I accept to accept your free gift. Fill the requested additional personal information, financial and FATCA details. Choose if you would like to opt for any of our special brokerage plans. Now, verify your identity via photo verification. Do remember to smile. This is to detect liveliness. If you are not using a mobile phone or don't have a laptop or desktop camera, you can ask for a link on SMS or email. You will have to give access to your location and camera. Make sure you're not wearing specs, sunglasses, a cap or a mask, and that there is good lighting on your face. Finally, e-sign your documents and account opening form digitally with Aadhaar OTP-based verification. Experience seamless investing in shares, IPOs, commodity and currency with your ICICIdirect.com trading account. Happy investing. Subject to document verification, you can begin trading within 24 business hours.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.